Hi fam, today we're going to talk about how to earn free cash even when stocks are down. So I don't know if you have ever imagined waking up every month to a paycheck that has nothing to do with your work, your business, like you didn't work hard for this money. So today we're going to talk all about this free cash and why you are supposed, in fact, I don't even know. I want you to understand that you can actually start earning it today, meaning that the next 30 days, you should be able to see your own free cash. Or in the next, maybe say 7 days, you can actually see your own free cash. So if this is the kind of thing you're looking forward to, right now, stock market is down, if, especially for the US stock market, if you've been following it, a lot of stocks are down. But we are still making money. And that's why I thought I should just quickly come in and do this video so you can make money even if the stock market is in red. Market is bleeding, the stocks are down. Many people that bought at an all-time high are crying right now. Some are panicking, but this is not the time to panic. This is the time to do. The last thing I did in my video was to talk about accumulation and transfer of wealth. So this is a good time to accumulate, but make sure you're buying good stocks. If you ever buy the wrong stocks now, they may not recover. So I just wanted to let you know on that. So you can literally make money even if the stock market is down. You can earn weekly, you can earn monthly, you can earn quarterly. You see these three, we are earning it. We are earning weekly, we are earning monthly, we are earning quarterly. So if you're not earning these three levels of money, free money, please join the VIP community. Remember, we're in the last batch of 2025. So join us because before we start 2026, hey, the year has to settle small. All right. So this is a good time for you to join in. So the key word for today's video is free cash. And there is something that I'm pushing everybody in my community to do. It is called triple compounding. And I'm going to teach you how this can literally turn your $100 into $500. So if you understand dividend yield to portfolio building that generates life-changing income, you will understand that this community is where you need to be. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi everyone. On this channel, we explore everything that has to do with money, making more money for you. So today we're going to explore the world of passive income and dividend investing. Today, we're going to dive into the ultimate guide to generating wealth on autopilot. So, like this video, like. I want to see 50 likes, at least 50 likes on this video. It will do me, in fact, I'll be so happy. Please drop a comment and let me know if you earn every week, or you earn every month, or you earn every quarter. And of course, subscribe if this is your first time of seeing me. Please subscribe if you've been watching and you have not been subscribing. Please subscribe. So most people don't lose money in the stock market because they are unlucky. They actually lose money because they do not have a plan. So times like this when market is down, people like us are still earning money. That is what a smart investor will do. You have to set up your plan in such a way that you will earn money when market is bullish and you earn money when market is bearish, meaning when market is going up, you earn both ways. When market is coming down, you still earn in both ways. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Most people think earning passive income has to do with renting property or building a course people can be buying every day, or because that one you have to be running ads every day, or you start a side hustle that will be giving you money. No, nothing like that. You can actually build monthly income streams without becoming a landlord, without becoming an influencer, or without burning out on nights and weekends trying to take up 2, 3, 7 jobs. I don't think anybody does up to 7 jobs, but this generation, so many people are doing multiple things at the same time. So I'm honestly not talking about cash. I'm talking about stocks that will pay you every month without you ever touching a property. You don't even need to own any property for you to actually earn. So last month, one of my students who works 9 to 5 made $63 free without doing anything, without tracking stocks, just because she had access to a very good information and she played the game. And this is not a one-off. This is how much she'll be getting every month. This is the least she can earn every month. Do you understand? This 63 is the lowest she can earn every month. She's going to earn 63 and above because I have taught her how to reinvest into her investment. So she started with just $50 3 months ago. It is just all in a plan. It is all in a plan. Dividend stocks that can deposit money into your account every quarter while you are at your hangout, while you are taking a stroll, while you're traveling. And what I mean is these income stocks that can compound your earnings on autopilot, meaning you don't really need to do anything. Like you don't look into your app every day checking if this stock is up or if this stock is down. No, 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 no. You don't do all these things. That's one of the things I teach in my community. I call it the cash flow lesson, triple compounding. Even the people who just joined this last batch just had this lesson last week because I knew that the market was still going to drop and I needed them to load up to be earning money every week, every month, and of course, every quarter. So, this is one thing that you should learn when you join the 7.0 community. If you have been on the sideline, if you've been waiting for a miracle or a special sign from God, this is the sign, my brother and my sister. This is a sign for you to join. There is no way you shouldn't be earning money in the stock market. But in fact, there are even stocks that you can actually buy that when markets are dropping, they are going up. So you need to understand how this works. You need to be strategic. Everything is all in a plan. If there are two friends who are playing in the stock market and one is making it and one is not making it, it is all in the strategy and the level of knowledge that they have. So that's why I figured it out that I should bring this information so that you get to learn about this. You won't say you did not hear. You heard it too. I just told you now. Somebody earned $63 last month, and this month she is looking forward to collecting at least $70, and it is very possible. I just want you to know that it is very, very possible. It is all in the plan. So the VIP community, you can actually join the last batch. One thing I'm going to do once you join and you've gotten your lessons, because you're going to do a catch up, all right? One thing I'm going to do for you is that I'm going to give you access to the list of cash paying stocks, meaning that these stocks are going to give you 50%, meaning the stock we are going to pick will still grow. So if you had invested $100, you are sure the stock will give you 50% and still earn you, give you, and pay you monthly. Do you understand? This is the kind of opportunity you should be looking out for. Knowledge, strategy, support. So that's what we are going to be doing in the community, and it will be super amazing to have you be a part of our community. It means that with $63, you get to reinvest the money. With $63, you get to even use it to support yourself and your family because another one will still come. The whole idea isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making your money work hard. I just want you to see that your money can work hard for you. So I'm going to give out a freebie. I'm going to call out one stock that actually pays every month that you can actually own. You know, this is actually my own research and experience. So you can do your research about it and make sure you do your research diligently and get convinced before you buy. But this is for educational purposes. So I'm going to mention one stock. It's called Realty Income. This company pays every single month and it is valued at about $57. That is one stock that I'm going to show you. So I'm still going to take us briefly and show you the chart so you get to see how they have been paying at least the last few months. I want you to see it. Of course, I'm going to mention this my book. This book is a life-changing book. If you want to get a blueprint, like step-by-step blueprint on how you can retire before 65 years, at least before 65 years, as a billionaire, you should get access to this book. It is just 1,999 naira. Do yourself a favor. That money you used to pay for something that will not add value to your life, please use it and buy this book. This book will change your life. It is very cheap, very affordable, and still loaded with information that can help you without stress. What I mean, 1 billion wealth plan, wealth building the lazy and the easy way. You will be shocked how easy this is. I took it down to levels. You'll be mind blown when you get access to this book. So make sure you get this book today. After watching this video, click. The link is the first or second one in the description of this video. Go and get yourself this book. You will be happy you did though. you'll definitely be happy. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Of course, I will always ask you to subscribe, like, and share this video. But I just remembered now that I have to take us to the chart. So let me take us to the chart and let us quickly see this particular stock I mentioned, the royalty income. So this is royalty income. This stock is around $57. You can see it here. And you can see they pay 2% per year. They pay you, okay, 5% per year, and they give you $3.23 per share. So you can see here, I just wanted to pull up these dividends. So you can see the next time they're going to pay is December 15th. So you have to own this stock before November 28th. So you can see here, they've paid already in November. They've paid in October, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January. So you can see their track record. So this is how some people are collecting freebie every single month. So like I said, we have some in the community that pay even better and still give you yummy capital gain growth, meaning that, so like this one that you're buying at 57, imagine earning 50% of 57, meaning the stock will probably go to 75. So that is the example of what I'm talking about when I say the ones in the community that I'm giving them will make them very good money. And that is one good thing about earning, free cash from dividends without you don't need to be a landlord, you don't need to own properties, you don't need to have a lot of money. You can start earning in the next 30 days. In fact, you can even earn in the next 7 days. I kid you not. But when you join the community, you will get this information at your doorstep and you get a list. So you get to even choose the one you want. That's how I want to be helping people in the community. So I do hope after watching today's video, you make up your mind to join the community and be a part of your success. Make sure that before you step into 2026, you are properly prepared so that every way you can be making money. The idea is to make your money work for you. That's my mantra. Make your money work. Make your money sweat. Make your money to hustle. And of course, I will see you in the next video. We're going to talk about US stocks and opportunities where we can actually start jumping in to make some good money. I'll see you in the next video.